answer, I'll show you how to make this tropical mango coconut smoothie. It's lactose and sugar-free and a healthy start of your day. Put the cubes of half a mango, 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, 4 dates, 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon, a half a cup of coconut milk and 2 leaves of fresh mint in the blender. Turn on the blender until you have a smooth drink. Pour the smoothie into a glass and sprinkle with some cinnamon. This recipe is enough for one mango coconut smoothie, but if you're in need for more, you can go to my website. It's got a great feature which will do the scaling for you. Enjoy!